Hey cousin, this is Nurse DJ. I decided to make this video to show you how to replace Mom's sensor. I would love to be there to walk you through the steps in person, but I'm going to be too busy getting high and drunk in the woods. So, here's your training video for how to quickly and safely replace a Dexcom sensor. First, greet the patient warmly. Hello, patient. How are you today?
Will this hurt?
Be sure that the patient knows that this is a quick and easy process and she should feel little to no discomfort. Anyway, let's get started. First of all, this time, Mom's Dexcom is located on her right arm. It's important to transition arms when you're changing the sensors. So we're going to be removing it from her right arm, and I will walk you through the process of placing it on her left arm. Okay, so this is really easy. I'm going to try to set up the camera here so you can see. Alright, here's her sensor. Really simple. There's a button right here. Okay, all you need to do, if the sensor has time left over, because usually she'll get a notification 5 or 6 hours before the sensor is going to expire. If it still has time before it expires, here's what you do. You turn this thing on, okay, and then you're going to want to go to this little menu screen. Let's see if I can find it. Right there at the top, okay? You tap that, okay, and it'll give you tap 1 and 2 to unlock. Then you want to go to, you want to scroll down to stop sensor, right there at the bottom. Tap that and press OK. Alright, the sensor has been stopped. So you put that aside, and now we'll remove it. This is actually really simple, okay? I don't know if I'll be able to show you exactly because I have to hold this on and do it with one hand, but basically, here's what we do. All you need to do, okay, is basically peel it off like a Band-Aid, okay? Don't rip it out because there's a catheter in there that I'll show you in a second. But, bam, just like that, okay? Okay, part 3. So, you see here, you've got the little sensor, just to show you how that looks. Got a little catheter right there that's going to be hard to see during the video, but that's it. Take this, set it aside. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you the contraption that you'll use to insert the sensor. Sorry, doing this and talking about it is somewhat challenging. Here is the full contraption. Okay? It looks just like that. Don't be intimidated by it. It looks scarier than it is. First of all, take this thing here and remove it. Just like that. Really simple. Don't even need to pull hard. Okay? This here has got a couple tabs on it that makes it really easy to remove the transmitter from the bandage that you just took off. So you're looking at it right there, right? All you need to do is take those little tabs, insert them there, and then pull up, just like that. I don't know if I showed you that right, but that's okay. Mom knows how it is. It might be need to be cleaned, but this is looking okay right now. Okay, so next step. All right, important thing. Okay, this is muscle. This is fat. Okay, so you're going to want to put it into the soft part. Okay, so we don't want the brawn. We want the chicken wing. Okay. All right. So take the alcohol swab and just give the surface a wipe down. We're going to put it right here, basically where the other one was. Okay, quick wipe down. Okay, clean a wide area because it's hard to tell exactly where that catheter is going in when it's on. Okay, let that dry off while you peel the paper off with this bandage. It's really simple. It's got tabs on the outside here. Just peel it off like that, and do the other side. Don't let the bandage touch itself. It will stick. Alright, this is requires a little bit of precision here. But you find that part that you just wiped down, you find basically where that little blank circle is there, and you place it in the center of the area that you just cleaned. Okay? Nothing's going in the skin yet, right? We're just putting a Band-Aid on. If you've done it right, you should be able to do that. Okay? Now, I'm going to come on the other side here, because it requires a little bit of positioning. Alright, hey, I'm back. So, this is the point where it's almost to that time. So, to get Mom ready for it, I have her place her arm down on, like across her chest. Grab your shoulder with your hand, just like that. Okay? Relax. Okay? Do a countdown, for her sake. What you want to do is you want to place your fingers on the little plunger looking thing here, okay? And then on the actual plunger, the gray thing right up here, place your fingers. Okay? You're going to be pressing down on the gray thing, just like a syringe, okay? Now, I give a count to 3, okay? Ready? Relax. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 clicks in, and then this little flange, the little clear flange, will come up. Okay? That is how we do that. And then there's little clamps here on each side. It's hard to see. You squeeze those, and that pops off. Okay? This is done. Let me give you a closer look of what I've got here. Okay? This is it right now. Okay? The transmitter is not in. It's still got this little tag on the end here. Leave that. You'll want it. It's got this little doohickey there, okay? Now, I'm going to take this sensor here, okay, and the shorter end, the end with the 5 on it, okay, is going to go toward the front of this device, and the other side will slip in afterwards. So you just slip it right in there, okay, and then take this little flange, this little contraption here, okay, get a good grip on the front. Usually better to do when you're not using one hand. Let's see if I can, here we go. Put it up right there, okay, and then tilt that thing forward, and it snaps it into place. And then to get rid of this little tab here, just hold and twist it off. And there you are. The sensor is in, the catheter is in her arm, it's on her arm just fine, it's all assembled. And that's how you put that in. Now, the only thing left to do is to take this machine. You go through the same process that you went through when you were turning off the sensor. It says the sensor is off, right? All you need to do is press that green button that says Start Sensor. Bam. Just like that. Tap 1 and 2. Uploading. Okay. It'll give you this little message that says the machine will need to be calibrated in 2 hours after the new sensor has been installed. And then all you need to do is you have Mama set an alarm for herself so she knows when to calibrate the machine. And that is everything that you need to know. Proper disposal of the mechanism is really, really simple. Just put everything in the bag that you took it out of and toss it in the garbage. That's it.
Easy peasy.
Yep. Love you, cousin. Have fun. I'm sure this will be an exciting thing for you.
Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. I've done it so many times. I've had it done so many times. I can walk you through it. It'll be fine.
That's right. Bye. Love you, cousin.
Bye.
Somebody once told me the